What's going on, everybody? This is the market recap for February 6th. I'm the same person. I just got a haircut and a beard cut, so yeah, I'm the same guy. Anyways, going to the charts. SPY had a still continuation on the day. Still looking for that lower high than 61.47 on the futures. That is the most important level. We're closing above the 8 exponential moving average, though. Like, we're looking good. As I've been saying, we are looking like everything's ready, primed for a run. NASDAQ coming even closer to this level. This resistance here still might tighten up, though, so we can't expect a break. We have to play. If we do break, I would still be looking for a higher low if you're looking for an entry, or maybe a back test. But yeah, we're a bit extended right now on, well, the hourly. Actually, I guess we've cooled off. I mean, we're starting to head towards overbought on the 4-hour, but we still do have runway, actually. Anyways, yep, the equilibrium is the top to look out for. The Dow, we have this cup and handle. We pulled back a bit. We have a cup and handle within a cup and handle. So double cup and handle right now. Two good things. That's gotta be good, right? Anyways, we're searching for a 4-hour higher low than this point right here. We haven't retraced more than 50% of this move yet, so we're still looking good on this mini cup and handle within the cup and handle. So let's see if we can get another cup and handle. The more and more we hit this resistance, the more we're beating it up, and we're going to blast through it. We've got, well, actually I'll go over that in a second. So just like this, we keep hitting it. The more we keep hitting this, the more we're chipping away at all the supply that's up here. And we will blast through. We did get the daily trend change here on the Russell, so it's the only one. Actually, no, I guess the Dow does have a daily trend change. No. Oh, it's just this one pivot here. This is just a straight shot, pretty much, except for this one pivot, if you want to call that a daily higher low, but it's not really. It was just a flush down and go. But yeah, the Russell has changed its daily trend without any follow through. So that is the caution. If we break down and lose the support, big time caution. We just start, if once we top out here, we would just be looking for a higher low anyways. SMH, seeing even more follow through. Just look out for this to be an equilibrium where we haven't changed the daily trend off this move from an all-time high. So, oh no, that wasn't an all-time high. Okay. So we haven't changed the daily trend after this dump. We were in a daily uptrend. We dumped, broke a lot of supports, but we didn't change the actual trend. So that's what we're looking out for. XLV pulling back a bit. Got a bull flag with no confirmation here at this point, or with no follow through at this point. XLF looking good. Looking like this could be our first melt-up mode sector, the financial sector. Palantir, this is the talk of the town. I'm still in my last little bit of, or my last option contract. I'm just kind of letting this one ride to see what happens to it. If we get a massive gap up open in the morning, but we are looking for a blow-off top on this name. Palantir is heading for its blow-off top. And when it blows off, money is going to be coming into other names. So wherever this tops out, we could see 200. Like, things can get absolutely irrational at this point. My target was the 120s. We will see where we open up tomorrow. We are extended. I caution, we are extended on absolutely every time frame. The quarterly, the monthly, the weekly, the daily, like everything. I think that even the 4-hour, the 1 hour, we are overbought on every single time frame. Like, this is not the time to be, if you're new to trading, this is not the time to be blowing yourself up here and buying this. We are looking for a blow off top at this point. We might see a couple gap ups. This is a pretty big gap here. But yeah, this could be one of those things where it gaps up 3 times and then that signals the top. So I guess this would be the first technical gap up. Nothing is absolute. So this is just kind of, if I do see this gap up tomorrow, depending on where it is, I might sell the open, but we could just melt up on a couple candles and see continuation here. But this very much looks like we're meeting to an end here. And then when this drops, the money's going to go elsewhere. So then we'll look to other names to follow suit, right? That's what we do. Money rotates, and we see one blow off top after another. And then we'll be in an extended consolidation period time. So when this move tops out, I would expect us to at least go to the 0.382. When, like, you have to expect this. Wherever this move tops out, we would expect it to at least make it to the 0.382 retracement. So, I mean, right now, that's 75-ish when we see longer term consolidation. So we could expect that. I mean, the more likelihood, we would probably at least go down. We probably could go down to the 0.5, which is 62. But I mean, obviously, the higher we go, the higher this will raise. But I'm talking about long-term consolidation, which is not in the picture yet, but it will be. NVIDIA, looking good now. So we broke down, bear flag, we broke down with no follow through. Then we shot up and broke this resistance. That is a bad sign for the bears. Great sign for the bulls. But we are heading towards this gap fill territory. I am positioned. I am positioned either way. I did buy off the 200 here and got risk free. Or no, sorry, I bought the break of 120. Yeah, so I did buy somewhere around there. Anyways, we are primed that we could run here, and it seems like all the issues with the chips or the AI in China, all that is relieved at this time, so it doesn't seem to be posing a problem, and buyers are coming in. So beyond to watch for NVIDIA, but we still have to make a higher low at some point here. This is a straight shot. We need to change the daily trend back to the bulls. So when this tops out, we have to set an hourly higher low, and hopefully that's the 1 hour oversold type thing. Tesla, I did buy Tesla, and because we saw basically this weekly trend change, and at this time there's just no follow through. Why did I buy it? I think I bought the break of 3. We were 4 hour over. Yeah, I bought because we were heading into 4 hour oversold. So that is why I bought it. And we'll see if I can get risk free on the bounce up. If not, I'll have to sell the break of that. What else? Yeah, so it's possible this could be trying to put in a bottom here, but we would just be looking for a lower high than 394. So that is the high. If this breaks, we're looking for a lower high than that. Otherwise, we're looking for more downside, and I was going to buy around the 0.5, which was 350-ish. Yeah, 350. Okay, Meta. Daily double top right now. Still, this is a daily bull flag with no follow through, so be cautious if we lose this higher low right here. that would be a red flag. So whenever this move tops out, we need to see a higher low than this, and then to see the continuation. Apple, we broke the inside bar bull, just no follow through. Gap is filled. Did we get enough? We're still in a bear flag. So caution on a daily bear flag right now. We're still in this big equilibrium too. Moving on, Microsoft. Microsoft, okay, as I said, Microsoft, we changed the daily trend, and I was cautious on this name. Here's the daily day we broke this. We confirmed this weekly downtrend. At the time, we got no follow through, and then we had 2 inside bars and we broke bull. So hopefully we see more continuation. We are coming against the daily moving averages. We have the 200, the 8, and the 12 moving average all coming up to us right now. So that is heavy resistance. As you can see, there's some profit taking on the day. We made it up there, and then they just profit took for the last little bit. We got 1 hour of bull and followed by a full day of consolidation. Full rest of the day. So hopefully we see another leg up, but we are still a daily bear flag, and we should expect a lower high than, well, here at this point, but we would definitely expect a lower high than that. Netflix, closing at the high of the day. Looks like we're melting up. So keep raising your stops. Every time this tops out, puts in a higher low. Be cautious, or yeah, we're starting to get overbought. Yeah, on all time frames. Yeah, every single time frame we are overbought except for the hourly. So this is the time to be raising your stops on daily higher lows. Daily higher lows. It's possible to keep melting up for a long time on daily higher lows, but when you start breaking supports, that's when you're cautious. Spotify, very tight inside bar on the previous day's candle. So we might see daily consolidation from here. Look for hourly oversold to mark the higher low. We still have this big gap here. So hopefully that gap holds, but we will see. PayPal, daily bear flag after earnings. Very little follow through at this point, closing at the low. So cautious on this name. Oh, we're getting support from the 200 moving average. Cautious on this name. We might want to go visit the 0.5 around 75 right now. Just how weak this is at this time. Bulls have a lot of proving to do. This is a daily trend change. It's actually a weekly trend change. So this could be putting in a longer term top as well. A lot of names are actually in the same position. Amazon. So we've put in a daily higher low now. That is set. That is a key level to hold now. Now we're seeing if we can break this high. We have enough space for an hourly lower high or a 4-hour lower high, just for the size of that pullback. Ooh, was something happen after hours? Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay, so yeah, that's our daily lower high right now. And something, oh, it was earnings. All right, welcome back. Okay, earnings, not the best. We are down. I totally forgot that it was earnings. We're down 4% on earnings. So we've confirmed a daily trend change after this earnings. So once that bottoms out, I mean, we have this support right here we're looking at, and then down here. But once this bottoms out, maybe we might see the 50 moving average here. We would just be looking for a daily lower high than this point. Okay, Google. after the inside bar, played the break of that. Hopefully we see more upside. Looks like it's catching support with this 50 moving average, so it looks good to see continuation. I might get interested in this name actually. I'd play off the low though to position myself better. AVGO, the low of this inside bar. AVGO, yep, just holding up pretty good. We've got 2 gaps now, so cautious if we do another gap up or something. But yeah, playing this inside bar tomorrow. RGTI, thought we were gonna go. We did break bullish on the, but we could just be setting a quick 4-hour lower high and lower low. We're still in this tightening pattern. This could play out for a little while. I've got February calls still, so hopefully we keep going. I said I wanted to see this gap close at least before I take some more profits. Ideally, we don't want to come down to this level. Don't want to break this level or come down to this level. TSM, still in this daily tightening range, so expect volatility. BABA, I thought, yeah, it looked like there was earnings on this day, but apparently there isn't. We have a cup and handle here, and on the consolidation we have decreasing volume. That's a great sign. So if we break this daily, or this basically a double top here, we might be looking to confirm this cup and handle and see more upside from there. But BABA is looking good for continuation still. MicroStrategy. So from the tariff dump, we made a new high. Actually, nope, sorry, we made a lower high here and look to be possibly continuing our daily downtrend. All right, that's it for stock recap. Next up, crypto. I'll see you in the pre-market. If there's any names you want me to go over, let me know.